In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage text messages within Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to Monday.com. Once the page loads, navigate to the upper right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you'll see multiple options for signing in. Click on the Google button, and from there, select your Google account to proceed. This step ensures a smooth and swift login process. After successfully logging into Monday.com, you'll need to access your board where you'd like to manage text messages. So go ahead and open up your specific board. If you're unsure about which board to select, it may be helpful to double-check your recent projects or the teams you're working with. Once you're on your board, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you can see the Marketplace icon. Click on it to open up the extensive library of applications that Monday.com has to offer. In the search bar, type eText and hit enter. You'll see a list of results, and you need to find and click on the eText app. This application is specifically designed to help you manage text messages seamlessly within your workflow. After selecting eText, you'll need to install the app. You'll find an Install App button prominently displayed, so click on that. Now you'll reach a screen where you have the option to choose which workspaces you want the app installed in. Click on All Workspaces for maximum accessibility, and once again, click Install. Proceed. Following the installation, you'll need to choose a specific workspace to start using the eText app. Once you have selected a workspace, click on Add App. This action integrates the app into your chosen workspace, enabling you to utilize its features effectively. The final step is to log into your eText account. This step is crucial because it allows you to start managing your text messages directly through Monday.com. Once logged in, the eText application will integrate seamlessly with your Monday.com interface. You can now begin handling and keeping track of all your text messaging communication needs, ensuring that everything runs smoothly right alongside your project tasks. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing your text messages within Monday.com. With this setup complete, you can efficiently handle text communications without having to leave your Monday.com interface, keeping everything organized and convenient in one place. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.